So hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can get started with ReactJS. So we will start off this video tutorial by giving a brief introduction about what is ReactJS, why we need it, and then we will discuss what are the prerequisites of ReactJS, like what things we need to know before you can learn or before you can work with ReactJS. So without any further delay, let's start with the very first topic and let's understand what is ReactJS. So basically, ReactJS is a JavaScript library. Now ReactJS is specifically used to create or build user interfaces, and in case of user interfaces, we are particularly talking about single page application. Now one of the main advantages of single page application is that overall you can say like we are not loading or redirecting to other pages. Everything comes under a single page. Now ReactJS allows developers to create reusable UI components that manage their own state, making it easier build complex user interfaces. React also utilizes a virtual DOM to efficiently update the UI based upon the changes to the data, and this results in fast and responsive web application. Overall, ReactJS is a JavaScript library which is used to develop front-end UI, specifically creating single-page applications. So this is the brief about ReactJS. Now let's discuss what are the prerequisites of learning or working with React. So before we dive into the ReactJS, it is essential to have a solid understanding of HTML, CSS and JavaScript fundamentals. So before we jump to the main learning of ReactJS, you should know what is HTML, what is CSS and how we can use JavaScript. So basically ReactJS is a JavaScript library, although we can also use TypeScript with this, but at a very base level you should know how we can use JavaScript. Additionally, if you are familiar with ES6 syntax such as arrow functions, classes and destructuring is very beneficial, since React code often leverage these features. And moreover, we also need to know how to use npm. So basically when we get started with React, or when we start building our first ReactJS project, at that time you will get to know how you can use npm. Basically npm stands for Node Package Manager, which is used to manage project dependencies. So we will keep this video this much only. In the next video, we will understand how we can create our first project in ReactJS. So I hope you get an overview about what is ReactJS and what you need to know before you get started with ReactJS. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Moreover, if you have any sort of suggestion or you want to know some other topic, you can email us at the given email ID, that is codr.help@gmail.com, which is visible on your screen. And also you can use the comment box below. Thank you so much.